Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Before we solving this question, I would like to talk about the importance of the playlist section that we have in our channel, because I keep receiving questions about the questions that we have in our channel. These questions are specifically just created for you. We just wrote these questions. These are SAT similar questions. You might face these kind of questions in the digital SAT math. So I strongly suggest you to go to playlist section, look for the topic. For instance, this question is coming from the percents topic, and you will have a lot of SAT similar and also similar to these questions in the playlist section under the topic of percents. Just pause the video, give it a try to solve it on your own, and afterwards you can check for your answer and just have a better understanding of this topic. And hopefully afterwards, if you will do this for each playlist section, definitely you will score 800 in SAT mathematics. So that's being said, and I wish you good luck on your SAT tests. So let's solve this question. In July, a bookstore sold 60% more books than magazines. If the bookstore sold 640 books that month, how many magazines did they sell? A is 350, and B is 400, C is 450, and D is 500. To solve this question, we will need to set up an equation. And before that, I'm gonna use some variables, and we'll just call whichever the variable for which one. So the bookstore sold, we're talking about books and magazines here. So the number of books sold by the store, we'll just call it, let's call it letter B. And the number of magazines sold by the store, let's use the letter M for it. So, and this is, which one is more? Bookstore. So the books are more. So books B is equals to M plus 60% of the M. 60% of something, 60%. And if you'll just simplify this 6 over 10, which is 0.6. 0.6 of the M, which is the M. So the B is equals to technically 1.6 M. And B, which is the number of books sold by the store, is 640 in that month, which is given to us. And I would like to continue the solution. The rest of the solution with a different color pen to show you. So 640. We just set up the equation. Now we're substituting the values into it. To get the M by itself, we will divide both sides by 1.6. In digital SAT, you are allowed to use your calculator, and you can grab your calculator and you can just, or use the software, they have it in there, so you can use that to calculate this. M will be equals to 400 magazines. So the correct answer for this specific question is the choice B. This is how we solve this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.